Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly chart for Horizon. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here. At the top of the candle body closes. As price comes up, hits, reverses, and we see price come back up, reacting to the same key level. Now, we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, which is the lowest point price has reached. And we can also go ahead and plot this swing low here, where we see clearly that price has found support on the monthly chart. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Here on the weekly, what do we see? We can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high, which is obvious to spot here on the chart. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right in here. Where we see price react here, and we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now we also notice a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support, and resistance. Now let's also go ahead and plot a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions as resistance, support, resistance, support, and we see reaction to the same key level right here, before price breaks down, going down drastically. Now, let's go ahead and plot a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance, 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 and over here we see a little bit of support. Now, looking at more recent price action, what can we notice? We see a key level right here, where we see price reacting as support, and resistance. Now we also have a key level right here. As price comes up, hits, reverses, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. So, if price reverses from this level and continues on up, we'll expect to see reactions from all these key levels plotted on the chart. So, those are all the key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.